Hey, Tarheel Synthetics. We are at the AMSOIL Convention in Superior, Wisconsin, and we are here with Steve Scheuring. And hey, Steve, how's convention going for you?
Well, it's going fantastic. A huge amount of dealers here. Great turnout. So you're probably one of the only few guys that's been at both the 25th anniversary and the 50th anniversary.
You that old? I went to the 40th.
There you go.
So tell me about your sled and everything you do.
So I own the AMSOIL sponsored snowcross race team and the AMSOIL sponsored off-road pro truck and side-by-side race teams. So this is one of our snowmobiles that we raced last year. This is one of the side-by-side cars that we raced in addition to that. We have a Pro 4 truck. Outside is a couple of our race transporters that bring us to the races. Then we have a couple other toys. We have the Scheuring that we use for wildland firefighting. And then this is just kind of a fun little toy that I put together. It's a 1950 Dodge Power Wagon that runs Z-Rod oil in it.
What's your favorite product from AMSOIL?
My favorite product? Oil. I mean, we run the Dominator in our race snowmobiles, and we've been in situations where we've got landed on and broke our heat exchangers and been able to finish the race without ruining the motor. So that's really been a savior for us in times when we've been involved with contact.
Why AMSOIL? Why no other product?
100% the best. You know, since I've been here since day one when it was a small company, I see the effort and quality they put in. Nobody matches that. It's a product you don't have to push to sell. It sells itself, and it provides the results we're looking for. It takes a variable out of our racing. It's like we don't have to worry about
force multiplier, we
Yep.
say in the military.
Exactly. We don't have to worry about this being a failure. You know, we can focus more time on how are we tuning our suspension. We don't have to worry about, you know, the robustness of other stuff.
So, Steve, how do we follow you on social media?
So follow us on Facebook, ScheuringSpeedsports.com, on Instagram, Scheuring Speedsports, and also follow Roger at TarheelSynthetics.com.
Thank you, Steve. It was nice to meet you.
You are welcome.